friend, we're out on the highway each day. When we're on the road with you have a load, it's just a game that we play. Through rain and through sunshine, through ice and through snow, we're happy wherever we go. The trip may be long, but enticing.
Hey guys, I'm gonna try again. I'm only gonna make a short video because I like this right for the pictures I want to take. But I got my tripod now. I still don't have no helpers, but with the tripod, a little bit of trickery, I can give you the air horns, at least one at a time, not both at the same time. At least not a think so. So I want to take the pictures and then I'll do a walk around. But it'll be good by the lights right. I want to honor the request from you guys. You want to hear both air horns, a sample, okay? Hank one will be first. Bingo, Hank one. Okay, that's Hank one. Now, Hank two. Okay guys, that's the air horns, that's the lights. I'm going to do a real quick walk around because I want to get some pictures too. So, for now, cut. Okay guys, I got the camera in my hand now. I'll give you a quick walk around. But the light is just right for the pictures I want to get. So, two Hanks, come on, yeah. Wish I had someone blow air horns right now, but I don't, so. Now I got a lot more room. I still got to finish polishing. Okay guys, before I start with the single pictures, I'm going to give you a quick walk around of just Hank 2. You want to know how jealous Hank 1 was? I wanted to leave here, no headlights. I had to go home on the fog lights. I would have left the Proctor tonight because I want to do a shot in the morning, but I couldn't risk it with vandals. It happened, Hank 1 has been vandalized over here once before, so he's only safe next to the house. Okie dokie, one quick walk around, and then I'll end it with some of my night shots, and to my song, Country Manny's song, My Truck Is My Friend. I need some lights back there, it's bare. But right now, getting back to work is a lot more important. An apple tree, I gotta get real close. Okay. I got over here a little bit too late. Should have been over here 15-20 minutes sooner, but I've been polishing and working on these tanks all day. They scratched the hell out of them and they were repairing them. And I don't really have any power tools to do it with, so it's Brillo pads and Magic Mix. Did a pretty good on the left tank. I still gotta do the right tank, and I want to get back to work tomorrow. Okie dokie. Hopefully Snyder will still take me. I've been off so long. Okie dokie. Coming up next are the pictures I took tonight, at least the ones on my digital camera. So for now, we go do it to it, like Sonny Pruitt. We go boogie boogie. Bye bye.
My truck been my friend, both time and again. It's always been my truck and me. We do it again, through thick and through thin. My truck and me are a team. Both thought we'll be happy, it's time now to part. My truck, my friend's getting old. I'll have a new friend and be happy again. Goodbye, old friend, and adios. I'll have a new friend and be happy again. Goodbye, old friend, and adios. Goodbye, old friend, and adios.
That's all, folks.